I believe he has equally prepared our mind towards what EBS RCM stand for. He has given us all the features, all what you are expected to know about EBS RCM. But the other facilitator that will be coming out now to give us, to break down the component of EBS RCM. For example, I'll be calling on Mrs. Kemi. Mrs. Kemi Oyediran is from
EBS RCM website. We use the website to monitor revenue. We use it for PID creation. We use it to search for individuals and companies to generate PID for those that have lost their PID. Then we use it for report generation, to print forms and all the other resources we need. To access our website, first of all log into our website. First of all open your Internet Explorer. You type in www.lasg-ebs-rcm.com. Once you do that, this website will be open to you. This is our website here. And normally, for you to do anything on the website, you have to log in with your details. Before you can get access to the website, you must have your PID, your password, your email available. I believe we all have our PID. If you have anybody without PID, please, once I'm through with this briefing, we can create PID for such. That's one. Then, have you ever logged into our website before? If you have not, I'm still going to show you how to do it for the first time. And if you log in, either as an agency or as an individual, I'm going to show you everything. So, like I said, to access our website, you have to click on the login button. When you click on the login button, the login menu will be displayed for you to enter your details. Here, you have to enter your PID, payer identification number, give it to you. All taxpayers in the Lagos State have payer ID. It's a unique identification for each taxpayer in the state. Just like federal government has their own to the team. Our own is payer ID. So all taxpayers, all have their own unique payer ID. If you want to log in, you log in with your PID. You enter your PID here. You enter your password here. The password is generated by you. You enter the PID password here. You enter your email here. If you want to change your password or you want to change your email, you enter the security code. In fact, it's advisable for us to change our password maybe once in a week for security purpose. So if you want to change your password and you want to change your email, you enter your security code. This security code is a code generated when you log into our system for the first time. If you log into our system for the first time, you will receive a security code on your phone and your email. So those codes are very important. You have to keep it away from any other person. So that next time you want to change your password, you just key in your security code and go ahead. Here, you enter your GSM number. Under the service name, we have different service names. Meaning we have different people that can go into our website. We have ABC staff, which is Alphabet Consulting. We have agency, which is you. We have bank. We have company. On our platform, we give access to each company to access, to check their inputs, check what their revenue payments so far, to track it. And also individual person. You can log in as an individual, check your ETC card, check all your revenue so far. We have bank admin and we have bank seller. So if you want to log in as an agency, you have to select agency. Here. Then here, you type in your service code. That is your COP ID. Like, I think LRS is 32990. So all other agencies have their own code like that. So you key in your service code. But if you want to log in as yourself, I want to check my ETC details, I want to check my tax details, I want to check information about myself that's in the database. I want to cross check, I want to confirm if they're okay. Maybe like some of us were single, later married, maybe written for all those things to be changed. You want to confirm if all those things have been affected. You can log in as individual. You select individual again. Then that shows that you want to see things about yourself in the database. Here, you want to select the individual, you don't need to type in any service code here. Just click on login. If you are a new user, you type in the PID, you type in the password, you type in the email, you leave it to individual because you are a new user to the system. So you have to first gain access first before you can work as either a bank or an agency. So you leave it to individual, then you click on I'm a new user. But if you're a type that wants to change your password or your email, you type in your PID, you type in your password, the new password that you're changing to. You type your email, if you're changing email, you type the new email you're changing to. But if you're using an existing email, you leave your email there. Then you type in your security code. You know, I said before that if you want to change password or you want to change email, security code is needed. And this security code is being given to you at the point of logging in for the first time to the system. It's going to be sent to your phone and your email. That is why it is always good to key in your right email. Another reason why you have to key in your right email and your phone number is that anytime you make payment to the state government, you get an alert. Or anybody make payment on your behalf, you get an alert of the payment through your phone. And if you key in your right email, you get a copy of the receipt on your email too. So if there's any reversal or any payment or reversal done on your behalf, you always get the alert of it. So that's why it's always good to encourage yourself, even the taxpayers, to supply their correct phone number and the email address. So if a person that wants to change your password or your email, after keying your PID, key in the new password, key in the email, then you have to supply the security code. After supplying the security code, click on I have forgotten my password and or email. But if you just, I've mentioned 2 times now, log in as a new user, then I've forgotten my password, you want to change the password or the email. But you want to change, if you're not changing anything, just want to log in. Just log in. You're okay with the details, the current details you are carrying, you're okay with it. You just have to enter your PID, enter your password, enter your email. Then you come to service name. Here, you select either individual or agency. Like I said, select individual if you want to check only your details. You select agency if you want to give access. You want to work as a staff of that agency. You select the agency, then you key in the service code. But if you just an individual, you want to check things only about yourself, you select individual, you don't key in the service code, then you click on login. Now, not all of us have rights to select agency. Not all of us are enabled as, not all of us are given privilege to log in as an agency. You understand? Before you can log in as an agency, they must have sent your name down to Alphabet for you to give you privilege to do so. So once that has been done, you just log in as agency, and you see all the menus open to an agency. Let's know that you can work with. So that's just that on the website. So let's go into the practical level. She has belonged into the system before, so we're going to use her login details. Now, if you belong into the system